Hello guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to read WhatsApp messages from iPhone lock screen. So for you to do that, you have to tap on settings, then you scroll and tap on notification, okay, up here. Then you scroll down, then find WhatsApp. Okay, here it is, WhatsApp. Then going to tap, then you tap on show preview. So you're going to tap on always, or you tap on when unlock. When you tap on always, it means you can always read your WhatsApp messages even when if your phone is locked or when not unlocked. But with the tap on when unlock, it means only when you unlock your phone you will have access to read your WhatsApp message on your notification lock screen. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.